We're here on the Aurora stand, and I'm delighted to introduce Fiona Dogood. Now, this is a special stand. Everybody would say that, but tell me the reason. Why does this stand so special?
So our stand is made completely out of recycled board. It starts off as recycled material and can in fact go back into the chain and be recycled again. It's incredibly strong due to the honeycomb structure, and it can be printed beautifully, as you see, by the quality of our stand. So we're really excited about having something that isn't waste at these exhibitions.
And you say it's so simple to build.
So simple to build. It's also the other reason it has a lower carbon footprint is because it's so light. So you need fewer trucks, fewer people. It's clean. Actually, one of the other things that makes it excellent is it works like soundproofing. So you'll notice that from here you can't hear what's happening on the other side. And if you look at it, it makes sense that actually it soundproofs really well.
Fantastic.
So lots of fantastic features for exhibitions.
And visitors to the stand are obviously impressed with the look of it, but have you noticed brisk business over the past few days?
Oh, it's been so busy. We're delighted. We were actually quite last minute deciding to take a space here, and it's been absolutely worth it. It's been fantastic. Really, really excited to be here.
Now, somebody who's not here is Mr. Doug Dogood,
That's great.
who many people in the energy industry will know that name and know that man, but he is heavily involved with Aurora. Tell us the link in the story.
He is indeed. So Aurora came about because we wanted to progress from oil and gas into renewables, and we felt that not many people were in the middle ground. People wanted to be in one or the other, but not in the middle, and we think that oil and gas has a huge amount to offer. Renewables, all that experience, all that knowledge of being offshore and the safety understanding and all of those things, which is so massive. And so we squarely wanted to have a business that allowed for people to learn from the history of oil and gas, but also we're moving into the future. So we wanted to be in that transition space. And so Doug is busy, as he always is, growing the business. And actually he's in Inverness today speaking to SSE. So, that's his nature. That's how he is. Moving.
Oh, I know indeed. And it's just such a positive story. It's what the industry talks about that we're doing, but to actually see it in action, and it's using the vast knowledge and expertise and the lessons learned from years and years of oil and gas in this region and turning it towards the renewable energy industry. It just continues.
We wanted to actively do it, not talk about it. And it's one of the reasons why I suggested that we have a stand that's more green. So we also don't have single-use plastic. We've got a water fountain. So we're trying to do everything in a greener way.
Well done to you. It's a lovely stand. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here. We've loved being here.